So, are these guys on Keithian, I would give him some advice. So, I say, Horhin Bioganin Corla Do. Or Horhin Pisa Corla Do. They'd be my main two. You could say Horhin Corla Egan Do. That'd be okay as well. It doesn't come naturally to me, but there's no main issue with it. I think slightly better though Bioganin or Pisa, since it's kind of uncountable. Okay, it's stuff say 2 advices, 3 advices, 4 advices. Normally Egan used with something that's countable. Okay, Dini Egan, some people. Or Lauer Egan, some book, because it's countable. Okay, so Horhin, as I'm doing a regular Mokani look. So always with the irregular Mokani look, when we're trying to find our root, I'm going to go get the future tense root. So Torhime, I will give. So I'm taking a Tor. I'm putting on my Shevu, can't forget that for the Mokani look. And then my ending, Hin ending. So Horhin. I don't need the may afterwards because it's a fused ending. So the may is included in the Horhin. Or you could just say Horhuk may, if that's easier, if you want to split it. A lot of books will tell you that's incorrect, because loads of people do it. It's fine. It's not incorrect. Horhuk may. As I said, Pisa Corla or Bioganin Corla. So Bioganin really useful, guys. We use, even though it means a little bit, we use Bioganin a lot more in Irish than you would a little bit in English. It's very useful, and try not to get confused between Bioganin and Biognach. Biognach meaning almost. So Horhin, Bioganin, Corla, Corla for advice, and then Do. So even though in English I'm naming the pronoun and saying I would give him some advice, she gave me some advice, as I'm always going to use the duh form when I'm using this with give. So basically, I would give a bit of advice to him. Okay, do for to him. It'd be G for to her. Or I would give them some advice. Horhin Bioganin Corla Dove. For example. Okay, so Shillan Keithian. Guys, in Darakian, did you say